Hi guys, this is Sandeep and you are watching TechWorks. So today I have a Samsung refrigerator and this is how it looks with packaging. It has some labels on it about the fridge like serial number, model number, etc. Let me first unbox it and then we will start as I have only two hands, so please. So we are having the all new Samsung RT28M3983R3 HL convertible refrigerator. This model belongs to a frost-free refrigerator. As you can see, the refrigerator consumes 243 units energy per year and the storage volume is 231 liters and the gross volume is 251 liters. This refrigerator comes with Digital Inverter Technology and even has an inbuilt stabilizer. Fluctuation from 100 volt to 300 volt. So this is also an interesting portion of the fridge. So now you don't need to add extra stabilizer for your fridge. The best part is you can run this fridge on your home inverter. It only consumes less power than 2 CFLs. As you can see the surface, it has detailed graphics which looks very nice and very premium. I have this product here in rose mallow plum color. Besides, it has a premium texture. This is the back side of the refrigerator. On the top we have an inbuilt stabilizer and at the bottom there is a compressor with refrigerant gas. The compressor comes with 10-year warranty and the fridge comes with 1-year warranty. This side's body color and metal is different from rest of 3 walls. Here is a specification sticker for the different models. All model consumes 100 watt per hour with 1 ampere. Let's power it on and check. So right now the freezer is at -19 degrees Celsius and the refrigerator compartment is at 3 degrees Celsius. It takes 3 hours to cool once it's on. Here you can see the freezer from inside. On the door side there are 2 bottle guards where you can place your juice or etc. to cool it down. Above there is a thing that liquid is stored which will give you 10 hours of cooling after electricity is off. There is one more thing here, that is cool pack. This pack is of water which once cools then transfer the coolness to other substances which will be on it. And at last the main thing of the freezer, the ice maker. Here is the tray which can be twisted to remove the ice and then the ice will be stored in the down compartment. Overall it is plastic but build quality is very superior. Let's see refrigerator compartment from inside. So it is very well designed. Here you get 3 toughened glass to store heavy food containers. Above there provides a fresh room for flashes and again a cool wall and a big vegetable or fruit basket with moist free zone. And the basket is really big as compared to old models. And this is the button for your lights and again there are some stickers for service numbers. On the door side you get a tall bottle guard with 2 eggs guard and again a small bottle guard. So overall the build quality is superior. In the package I got some user manual, warranty card and do's or don't do's pamphlet. And yes, a key to lock or unlock the door. So let's check the key works perfectly or not. And yes, it's smooth and work fine. Let's come to convertible freezer panel. The first key is for power freezer. To make it on, we have to press it for 3 seconds. The middle button is for converting freezer to fridge, again for 3 seconds. And at last, the power cool fridge and again for 3 seconds. To deactivate all 3 modes, you have to press all 3 buttons one by one for 3 seconds. You can increase or decrease the temperature of both the panels by pressing once. So overall build quality is very classy. It might seem a bit expensive because it is around 25k in the market, but you are spending money for the inverter technology along with the stabilizer and the most important thing, the convertible freezer. It will save your energy in winter season or when you don't need to make ice. So guys, if you like this video then click the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any query, do ask me in the comment box. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos, so definitely subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.